Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Crew Volkswagen. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this brand new Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition. This hatchback comes with a 2-litre TSI petrol engine pushing out 333 PS. This is accompanied by DSG automatic transmission and puts power down to all four wheels thanks to Volkswagen's 4-wheel drive 4Motion system. This vehicle comes finished in the lovely Grenadilla black colour. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of IQ LED matrix headlamps that include dynamic cornering. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors. This vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch Jerez black diamond turn surface alloy wheels finished in a lovely black colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a rear roof spoiler giving a more aggressive look, as well as a set of LED rear tail lights. Helping you park manoeuvres, a set of rear parking sensors, and along the bottom of the bumper we'll find a diffuser with 4 exhaust tips. Opening up the boot and taking a look into the storage space of the vehicle, a large amount of storage space considering the size of the car, making it the perfect ideal vehicle. In the rear passenger area we'll find a 3-seater bench with a folding armrest in the middle that provides 2 cup holders, and in the footwell there's some rear passenger controls. All the seats in the vehicle come in a mixture of art velours and fine Napa leather, with some sportier style front seats with some R badging on the seats themselves. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen display. This display allows you to access the built-in navigation. Alternatively, you can connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find a Hansen gear selector, as well as an armrest and 2 cup holders. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with a heated function, along with a digital cockpit display. That concludes this 360 walk around of this brand new Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition. For any further inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our sales team, and thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.